morning children, how are you today? I hope you're well wherever you are. Welcome to Story Time at Home with Teacher Serene. Today we're going to read a story about the Gingerbread Man. Are you ready? Let's begin. Once upon a time there lived a little old woman and a little old man. One day the little old woman wanted to make a gingerbread man. She took out her bowl, poured in some flour, crack an egg, pour in some water, and started making a gingerbread man. When it is ready, she put the gingerbread man on a baking tray. She wore her mitten and put it in an oven. After a while, she went to check. When she opened the oven, the gingerbread man jumped off from the baking tray and ran out from the house. Oh dear! Both of them ran after the gingerbread man, yelling, "Stop! Stop!" Sadly, they could not catch him. The gingerbread man just laughed and said, "Ha ha ha! Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me because I am the gingerbread man." The gingerbread man ran until he came to a cat. "Stop! You look good enough to eat," said the cat. The gingerbread man just laughed and said, "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me because I am the gingerbread man." The gingerbread man ran until he came to a dog. "Stop," said the dog. "You look too good to eat," said the dog. "Run, run as fast as you can," said the gingerbread man. "You can't catch me because I am the gingerbread man." The gingerbread man ran on until he came to a cockerel. "Stop! You are too good to eat," said the cockerel. The gingerbread man just laughed and said, "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me because I am the gingerbread man." The gingerbread man ran down the lane and came to a pig. "Stop! You look good enough to eat," said the pig. The gingerbread man just laughed and said, "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me because I am the gingerbread man." A little further on, the gingerbread man came to a cow. "Stop! You look good enough to eat," said the cow. The gingerbread man just laughed and said, "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me because I am the gingerbread man." The gingerbread man ran on. Then he came to a horse. "Stop! You look good enough to eat," said the horse. The gingerbread man laughed, "Ha ha ha," and said, "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me because I am the gingerbread man." What happened next? The gingerbread man ran on until he came to a river. He came to a river. Oh dear! He stopped as he could not swim. Just then, a fox came and he said, "I can help you cross the river," said the fox. "Just hop onto my tail and I will swim across." The gingerbread man saw the others coming. He knew that if he did not go with the fox, he would be eaten. So he jumped onto his tail. Now, the gingerbread man began to get wet after a while. So the fox said, "Climb onto my back," said the fox. So the gingerbread man did that. The water was getting deeper and deeper. This time the fox said, "Jump onto my nose so that you don't get wet." The gingerbread man thought for a while and decided to climb onto the tip of the nose. What happened next? Oh dear. Just then, the fox tipped back his head and the gingerbread man flew into the air. The fox opened his mouth and snapped, and he ate the gingerbread man. That was the end of the gingerbread man. Oh dear, who ate the gingerbread man at the end? It was the fox. Okay kids, I hope you enjoyed the story. Hope to hear from you soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.